Alrighty, we're back. Well, I'm back. And today I'm going to show you my first two coins that I got for the year of 2025, part of my auto ship. And if you've been following me, you know I do 2 coins every month. And I got them yesterday. A little bit of a delay getting them, being that the silver comes from down south. And, you know, the weather there hasn't been too cooperative as far as delivery go. Anyway, so I'm here to show you these 2 coins that I got. So without further ado, let's get to it. And we are cutting through. Let's see what I got here. Let's see what I got. Let's see what my first 2 coins are for January of 2025. And here they are. Let's see what we got. You saw my video. I posted a video yesterday. The February auto ship coins are really nice. One's a Caribbean pirate, and the other one is a stingray. Pretty cool. I hope I get one of each since I like both of them. But if I had to make a choice, I would like to have the pirate one. So check out my video. I think it's in my shorts from just yesterday. Yeah, you will see that coin. So here's the first for me. Here we go. Ooh, this is I gotta get my bearings here. This is a gorilla. Gorillas in the mist. Let me see what this says here. That's 2023, 1 troy ounce, 0.999 silver, from the Republic of the Congo. So this is a nice piece of silver. My first one. So that's pretty cool. Doesn't look like King Kong, but it's pretty good. It's got a baby gorilla in there. Let's see what I got for my second coin. And in all likelihood, it's probably the same one because usually I get double. Let's see. And maybe I'm wrong. Nope, I'm not. So I got two Republic of the Congo gorilla coins. They're pretty, there they are. Pretty nice. I'll put that right into my silver vault. If you're wanting to collect some silver, right behind me, let me get out of the way here. It's my opt-in page. You can join my journey. Your name and address, your name and email. I will send you a free gram of silver, only in the United States. So if you want to start your journey like I did 2.5 years ago, it'll be 3 years in July. I got a nice little collection. Go right in. It's very affordable, cheap, fun, and I'll be along on the ride with you. So by all means, opt in on that opt-in page. It's sharethesilver.com. Although it says start stacking silver, but the website is sharethesilver.com. So that's really it, man. So I'll see you. Oh, let me see if I can show you what the next 2 coins are that I should get in February. Hold on a second here, all right? Okay, so I'm back. And let me show you what the coins are for February. So check these 2 beauties out. Yeah, see, the one on the left is a pirate, and the one on the right is a stingray. They're pretty nice. I mean, I think I have a pirate one. Kind of losing count of what silver I have and don't have, but I think I have a pirate one. I'm fine with getting another one. That would be great. But those are the 2 coins that are coming for February. So and then I don't mind getting 2 stingrays. I know I don't have any of the stingrays, but that's pretty nice also. Let's see if I can get myself back on here. Yeah, there I am. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and enjoy the rest of the day. I'll see you in my next video. Adios.